Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sales vouchers. We'll begin by opening Tally Prime and selecting the appropriate company. From the gateway of Tally, you will navigate to Vouchers and then choose Sales as your transaction type. This initial step is crucial for accurate record keeping and sets the stage for entering all your sales details efficiently. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, we'll focus on inputting the core sales information. First, select the buyer's name from your list of ledgers. Then, choose the sales ledger, typically sales account. For each item sold, enter its name, the quantity, and the rate per unit. Tally Prime will automatically calculate the total amount for you. This ensures every product sold is correctly recorded against the right customer. Now, let's enhance our sales voucher by adding discounts and taxes. If you offer a trade discount, enter it as a percentage or a fixed amount. Then, select the relevant tax ledgers, such as your goods and services tax or value-added tax, which Tally will calculate automatically. Finally, add a brief narration explaining the transaction details. This provides valuable context for your records. To finalize your sales voucher, simply accept the entry. Tally Prime will then save your transaction securely. You can easily review this voucher, along with all other daily transactions, in the daybook. From there, you have the option to print a copy for your customer or for your physical records, or even export it in various formats. This completes the sales voucher creation process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.